In this video, I will show you how to log in to your old Gmail account. If you are facing login issues like a forgotten password or security questions, don't worry. I will guide you step by step. By following these simple instructions, you will be able to recover and access your old Gmail account quickly. If this video helps you, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Let's solve this problem together. First, go to your mobile settings. Find user accounts. Click on users and accounts. Then click on add accounts. Here you will find Google. Click on it. Wait while the information is being checked. If you've forgotten your Gmail, click on Forgot Email. Type your mobile number. After typing the number, click on Next. Now add the first name of your Gmail account and click on Next. Okay, let's see. Here is my old Gmail account. If you find your old Gmail account, please subscribe to my channel. And if your account is still missing, comment below. I'll provide another method to help you out. Thanks for watching the video.